Hello, my name is Bianca Romulo. This is a video explaining my individual portion for my CS10 final project. And basically, my final project was making a class finder on Snap that basically lets UC Berkeley students pick classes based on various criteria or filters. And so my individual portion is kind of an add-on to that. It allows UC Berkeley students to input a list of classes that they've already taken in previous years. And what the program does with that is that it deletes from the main list of classes the classes that the student already took, so that it reduces the risk of suggesting a class that the UC Berkeley student already took in a previous year or semester. So the program is already running because the first part of the program was asking the user about which breadth they wanted to take first in order so that the list of classes would contain a list of classes, because my individual portion wouldn't work with if the list of classes list was empty. So I didn't include that in my individual portion video because that was part of my group project. So this is really where my individual portion begins. And so the sprite is asking, what year are you? And say, I'm a junior. So I type in junior. And if I answered freshman, then the program would take me to our group project, because if you're a freshman, then obviously you haven't taken any classes at UC Berkeley yet, so the program wouldn't have to delete a list of classes that you've already taken. So say I'm a junior, and then the program asks me, how many classes have you taken already? And please put in a numeric value, which meaning you can't type in like the word 2, like you have to use like the actual numeric symbol of 2. So say I've taken 4 classes. And then the sprite will ask me what the name of my class is. So say I took CS10, French 14, UGBA 10, and Math 16A. And notice that item 2 of classes already taken, there's no space between the letter and the number, unlike item 1 and 3. And I do this purposefully because I want to demonstrate how my program recognizes the different syntax. So in the list of classes, my partner and I recorded the title of the class with no spaces whatsoever because it was just easier to import. But I wrote a predicate block that recognizes the difference between the syntax. So French 14 with no spaces and French 14 with spaces would be recognized as the same thing in this program. So that's another part of my individual portion which the user doesn't see. So I'm just going to input this last class. And what the sprite or what the program should do now is delete all the classes that the student already took from the list of classes. And as you can see, since this list of classes contains all the classes that fulfill the International Studies breadth, French 14 is a class within the International Studies breadth, and so that class was deleted from the list of classes. So the length is 103. And that is my individual portion of the group project. Thanks for watching.